Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a big old swipe today. I had to zoom out so you could see the whole canvas. This is a 24 by 24 inch. And let me see, I'm going to show you, I tested my colors. I used my Dutch pour recipe, which is 5-3-2, 5 parts Floetrol, 3 parts paint, 2 parts water for the swipe, and I think that will work as well. I did a little test of all the colors. I'm using black and white Artist Loft, and I mixed those up, all of these the same way. And then I have Liquitex, Alizarin Crimson, Yellow, Green, Light Blue, and Prism Violet, and then a Modern Masters Brass. So I put a dot of color on each one. Hopefully you can see it so far. Can you see that well? And then I tilted it and to test the consistencies, and obviously they're different. I decided not to try to thicken up the white because it would, for one thing, it'd be a pain in the neck. And secondly, the white is going to help the reaction of the cells because it's so weird, as you know. The black and the violet are pretty close. The metallic, this is the only metallic, I decided not to add any water to it, but I did add a little water to these three to kind of match those consistencies. So, and I put this on a piece of foam core board and I'll let it dry, and I keep it, and I write down the colors I use down below and the recipe, and then I hang on to this in case I want to try to duplicate it or something similar, and that seems to work. So, black is going to be my swipe color. That's close to 3 ounces. I'm just going to add 3 drops of silicone. 1, 2, 3. This is, people always ask what kind of silicone. This is just something I got on eBay years ago. It lasts forever. There's not even a brand name. The important thing is that it's 100% silicone. It's a treadmill belt lubricant. And looks great. Okay, so mixing that in well. I'll stir it again after just before I go to use it. I'm going to be using this shelf lining stuff as my swipe tool because it stretches across the canvas. I'll get one big swipe out of it. It works pretty good. And yeah, so I'm going to do the colors in a stripe up here in stripes, and then I'm going to just fill the bottom up with white and apply the black there and swipe it. So let's do it. I put them in the order. I hope you can see that. I don't know. I put them in the order that I'm going to lay them out. Just one course of each color. I'm not going to do multiples. So I don't know how thick these stripes will be. I guess about this thick. That's about 1.5 inches. Okay. I wanted to separate the red and the green, so they're at opposite ends here. Now the Prism Violet. The light blue. a bit of something kind of exciting, hopefully, to the color. I didn't add any water to this one. All the rest were mixed 5-3-2, but this one is thin, and I didn't want to dilute the the properties of the metallic by adding too much water, so I found I didn't really need to add any. And this one is a little questionable, but I think it could be fun. So here we go. I hope I have enough white mixed up. I think I do. Okay. Make sure my sides are covered well. And they pretty much are. I can touch them up later. Okay, now let's, fingers crossed, I have enough white. I have another small cup, so I think I'm okay. Okay. Oh, big. Okay, I might do a little tilting just to fill in these gaps and make sure everything is covered. That's pretty much that. And this one. And maybe I'll just kind of move it around rather than tilt. I just don't want to lose any of my color on top. I'll just do this. When I get down here with the swipe tool, it will cover up the very edge, so I'm not concerned about that. This one had paint on the whole surface, top surface anyway. Okay. Not going to worry about bubbles. And now, oh, you know what? I think I'm sure I don't have enough black to cover that, so I am going to tilt ever so slightly just to make that a little Nah, I'm not going to. I can always, I'm probably going to be tilting something. Never mind. Forget. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I should mix some more black. But if I decide not to tilt the whole thing, I can always come back and add more black to that area there, even if it's dry. But I may end up tilting for coverage there. Who knows? Have to be flexible. And here we go. So I'm going to set this down, make full coverage all the way across. Full contact, I mean. And I think I got it, and here we go. Where's the color? There it is. Oh, look at the green. That's fun. Almost running out of table here. Where's the end? There. Okay. Oh, I don't want to put it there. All right. Wow, that's fun. Wow, I'm liking it. I kind of expect this to go crazy. I don't know if you saw the painting I call Fisher. Fisher. Where I have a black stripe in the center there, or the top third, and then it's kind of turquoise and gold and I don't remember what colors. And overnight, this whole area down here became like this, but huge cells. I don't mind this. I almost wouldn't mind if it stayed like that, but I suspect it's going to change up a lot. I don't want to tilt it in any way. I'm very happy with what's going on there. I just want to cover that up, so I think I'll take the stick and just cover that black area. And I'll touch up the sides and any little spots I may have missed with more black later. Oh wow, I'm very happy with this. 3 drops of silicone. Did all that, my friends. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I'm happy I went with the green. I think it makes it look garden-like. It certainly adds a nice variety of color there. And gigantic flower-shaped cells, especially over here. Look at that, how fun. If I don't make you dizzy, I'm going to go around to this side because I kind of like it from this other orientation. I'm not sure. I usually like the dark at the bottom when I hang a painting because of the weight. It looks heavier, but I kind of liking this. Well, I'm going to be trying this again with some different colors, and I hope you'll try it too and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye.